Okay, so we're on 169 South in Iowa, and I believe we are still in Webster County. Of course, you know, we have the windmill farm over there, and this is supposed to be Burnside, and I couldn't find the population. I mean, I didn't do a deep search. I think this is a really small town. Let's see what's left. There must be a school here. We have a school light. Oh, look, there's an old something. Is that a Victorian? Oh my goodness. Yes. That old house, old farmhouse. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh, that's a neat old house. Oh, there's... See, they did something with that. Right big. Oh, wow, is that old church there? Burnside, Iowa. Look at the windows. Can you zoom in on that window, brother? Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, there's an old building here. And I think there's the fire department. Maybe. That. They preserved that. I hope it continues so. Oh, that is so cute. Wow. It looks like they may have lost their post office. Yeah, that was the old post office. You can still see the mailbox. Burnside. See it on the map, but apartments over here. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Burnside, Iowa. Alright, so we're going back by the church so brother could take some pictures of the old abandoned church. You have this beautiful church, and then you can sit in your backyard and watch your nature and your windmill. Alright, so that house is huge. I think that used to be an old church, but I don't think you can. Can you go around on that? Is that a street open?
I don't know. Driveway, yeah.
Yeah, I think it might be a driveway. I don't want to mess up people out there. Okay, where was that one house? We can't. Oh, up over here, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wait, here's an outhouse. There's a random outhouse. See that? I bet those people were so mad when those came in there, unless that's their property, you know. You have to really look at several different sources for your information these days. a tire swing before you came to this earth, brother. I remember when I was very young. This house. It's seen better days, but it's still standing. Okay, that other church is up here, and I think they're still kicking, so see that here in a second. Building up there. Big old houses, yeah. The Immanuel Lutheran Church. Leave it to the Lutherans and the Catholics. Yeah. It's very beautiful. It's so majestic. I don't know if you can see the cross in that window. That's why. So cool. Burnside, Iowa. Immanuel Lutheran Church. Alright, so that, folks, was Burnside, Iowa. We still have a little bit left up here. Let's see what we have. Barely on the map. School. That is a school. Farmhouse. Very nice. So I'm assuming the school's still open. Southeast Valley Middle School. Is that open?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think so. So that's Burnside, Iowa, Webster County on October 24th, 2025. Very nice town. Very historic.